we're at the only pig farm here in Israel because there's a law against pig farming in Israel because Jews don't eat pork, but this pig farm has got around a loophole because they say it's for medical experiments, and then we just coincidentally use the leftover pigs to produce pork products for export and stuff. Shalom. So there's something you don't usually see in Israel. There's a person hugging a pig.
It's, I wouldn't say uncommon.
It's not uncommon.
Non-existence.
Non-existence in Israel?
No.
So what's the law with pig farming in Israel?
There are no pig farming in Israel. We are not pig farming, we are medical research. Meat-wise is not my field, it's not the aim. Sure. We are here medical research. I don't want to go into the meat because it is not, as I said, it is a complete byproduct, which is for me, it's a non-issue for this visit or for this. We are looking at the medical research.
And what are the types of experiments that you do on these pigs?
We've got a huge experience here with skin grafts. It's a major issue in Israel, skin grafts, because of terrorist activities, etc. Bus bombing. Suddenly you need all of a sudden lots of skin grafts to be conducted on humans for a short period of time, but you need that immediately.
Sure. And so, hang on, do they use the pigs just for research for skin grafts or for actual skin grafts?
For actual skin grafts.
Wow, so there's all these Israeli Jews going around with pig on their arm.
They can be,
yes,
but skin grafts for a few days. Human skin.
Yeah, that's fascinating. So Jewish victims of terrorism
can use that.
Can use the pig for skin grafts.
Life-saving is Jewish commandment.
And the rabbis are okay with Jews using pigs for skin grafts?
I will not enter this issue. We here basically, I would say almost only focusing on either life savings issues or major life improvements issues, and we don't do cosmetics at all. So these are the fields we are focusing on. It's just pigs, and the law is very simple. You are lucky it's your first visit.
Yes.
But if you come here next time, you will not be able to run away from the law.
Oh yeah.
Is anybody come from second time must bring at least one or two.
You should
not kangaroos and not koalas. It has to be pigs.
You should have told us. We easily could have brought some.
Doesn't matter.
So Babe was an Australian film, so we could have. What goes on in the fridge?
Nothing. It says it's for food only,
and no
medications or anything, because we keep a lot of medications.
Are you allowed to have? Is there pork in there or not?
Yes. We are not kosher facility, and people here on the kibbutz, it's a non-religious kibbutz, not kosher kibbutz. We eat pork here.
Oh, okay,
cool. Even though there are a lot of people on the kibbutz that don't eat pork, coming from traditional families that don't eat pork.
And do they eat pork from here or just from anywhere?
Usually we eat the pork we eat. Would be pork from here. It will be a waste for us to take it from somewhere else.
Sure.
So we use our own product. It's always human doctors. Sure. Not the vets are not the one who work on the pigs.
Yes,
it's the human doctor who need to learn the new device.
Yes,
because they later on use it on humans. What you can see is, for example, the back is marked, and they work on with their machine, what they invented, what they created. The pig is, as I said, it's not just inquisitive, it's a very friendly animal. Pig will never attack you, never. Might run away from you, but will never attack you. Very, very friendly animal.
Hello, piggy. Okay, we've gotten rid of him for a couple of minutes, so I'm going to go back to the fridge and get the pig. Hello. So I just left this in here before. For my whole life, to continue the unbroken chain of 5,000 years of tradition, I've been denied bacon and forced to subsist on bacon from Glick's Cafe. Well, it's time to break the chain. Sandwich, and I'm here at the holiest site in Judaism, the Western Wall.